Hello guys, I am Aftab Sumro. Welcome to our channel Falak Sumro. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can we change the theme of our IDE, which is Android Development Studio. This is IDE of our Android Studio. First of all, we will click on the file menu. Then we will select the option of settings. Now you can see here the appearance and behavior option, and under this option we are selecting this appearance, which is already selected. Now you can see here there are some themes available in this section. Now I will click on this drop down menu. Now you can see here that there are three available themes in this Android Studio IDE. Now Intellij Light is already selected. Now I will change it as a Darcula. This is dark theme, which the number of people love this theme, but I like the Intellij Light. And the third one is high contrast. You know, this is very high contrast and darkish theme. So by this way we can change the theme of our IDE. Hope so you are now aware about the changing the theme in Android Studio IDE. We will meet in the next video. So see you.